To fix the issue of Cash App not letting you verify your identity, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device, as outdated versions may cause verification issues. Next, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for the verification process. If your connection is slow or unstable, try switching to a different network or restarting your router. Now, navigate to the Cash App and tap on the profile icon. Then select Support and click on something else. Type in Verify Identity and follow the prompts to initiate the verification process. You will be asked to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to enter this information correctly, as any errors may cause the verification to fail. If you are still having trouble, try deleting and reinstalling the Cash App, as this may resolve any technical issues that are preventing verification. Additionally, ensure that your name and address on the Cash App match the information on your government-issued ID, as any discrepancies may cause verification issues. It is also important to note that Cash App may request additional documentation, such as a valid government-issued ID or a selfie, to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on the Cash App. If you continue to experience issues, contact Cash App support for further assistance. Remember to always keep your personal and financial information secure, and never share your login credentials or verification information with anyone. By taking these precautions and following the steps outlined above, you can ensure a safe and secure experience when using the Cash App.